Hey guys, it's Sky and I'm back with another nail tutorial. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be how I shape my nails. Now I have a lot of nail tutorials on my channel with me designing them, but not once on how I exactly get the perfect coffin shape. Now I always like to start off my nails with the stiletto shaped nails because it saves me a lot of time and they're easy to work with. All I have to do is clip the tips of the nail off and I'm already halfway done. Okay, so this is the most important step. Take your 180-degree nail file, starting at the base of your finger towards the tip. You want to shave it down on an angle. Make sure that it is on an angle. You do not want to apply too much pressure or have your board curving, because if you do, it's going to put a curve in your nail, and your nails are going to come out leaning, and then you're going to have to start all over. So take your time, file evenly with a nice light pressure, and go on an angle. Okay, this part is a little bit hard to explain, so I want you guys to watch what I'm doing. I'm going underneath my nail and pulling upward with the nail file to get rid of that excess nail particle, I guess you could call it, on the side of the nail. Because when you file one way, it creates this excess stuff underneath the nail that you need to pull off and clean in order to get the true shape of your nail. I've done this several times and I thought I was finished, and then when I took it off, the nails is all crooked. So make sure you do that step. Once you're done with that, you want to take a buffing block, any buffing block, and just go back over that to make sure you don't have any nicks or grooves in your nails, because if you do, it'll cause your nails to break and crack in the future, and you do not want that. Boom, this is what your nails should look like when you're finished. All you have to do is paint them or design them, or you can just leave them the way they are. It's perfectly fine. Don't forget to check out my other videos that I have on my channel for my nails. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video.